I am obsessed with vacuum seal bags, and if you have not tried them, you are truly missing out. I was sent this 15 pack for my review, and I'm going to be trying these for the very first time. I've tried one before with like a pump that you plug in, but most of them have been those like hand pumps, and man, those are so big and such a pain. So these are really great for travel. They're also really good just at home when you're storing your seasonal clothing, because this way they're inside the bag. They're not going to get wet. They're not going to get musty, moldy. So we have 15 of these. All of the bags in this particular package are the same size. So these are the smaller ones, which these are the ones I love for travel. This is the little pump, and so it's really nice because you just need to plug it in. You have the two plugs, the USB-A and the USB-C. So I just have that plugged in here. As I said, I have not tried this yet, so we're gonna see how it goes. This is just the cute little bag for you to put the pump in. So I just grabbed a couple of my husband's t-shirts here. It also comes with the tabs. I don't use them. I feel like it would probably make my life a lot easier if I did, but it comes with the tabs to help you seal these. So it's these things here, and you just run them across the top. I don't know, I just feel like I'm not really good at that, so I sometimes have a hard time. So I feel like once you kind of just find the right spot, then it closes properly, because that's obviously one of the most important. You need to make sure that this is actually sealed, because if it's not, then it's not going to do what it needs to be doing. So I just run my finger along there. It's just like a massive Ziploc bag. So we've done that, and then okay, so to open, we're going to go ahead and open that. And then, as I said, don't know what I'm doing. I'm assuming this just sits over top, does not twist or anything, and I'm going to turn that on. And we're going to give it a little bit of time here so you can see the size. Obviously, this is not overstuffed. If I was traveling, my husband and I would have this bag completely stuffed. And then the whole point of this is obviously to help you save some space. So as you can see, it is starting to get smaller right here. This bag, I think I had 4 or 5 t-shirts here. Tons of room for other things here. If you're using this for travel, you could put another stack of shirts, obviously your underwear, your socks, but look at that go. And again, if I were doing this to pack away properly, either for travel or for a suitcase, I would put this in here nicer. I would organize it properly, because that is also important. Yes, you are taking out, like, look at that. Look at the size of this now. Remember how tall that stack was and how big? It's getting pretty loud. It's probably like angry. It's like, stop now. It seems quite tight. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that off. And then, of course, we just cap it off. And then now, like, you have this, like, tiny little stack of clothing. Again, I didn't put them in here nicely. I just find the nicer you kind of organize them inside the bag, the better they will vacuum seal. So, yeah, again, for travel, for at home, vacuum seal bags are a huge plus. And I'm just loving this little pump. This is great.